Don't worry, wala sila dito dahil hindi dahil nag-away-away ulit kami. I think they would rather watch the movie privately. On behalf of the Eraserheads, I would like to accept this microphone. Don't worry, wala sila dito dahil hindi dahil nag-away-away ulit kami. As a matter of fact, we just came from the Australian tour and we had such a good time. And they would have loved to join me here, but I think they would rather watch the movie privately. So this movie has been, I think, 30 years in the making. From when we were formed in 1989 up to now, and it feels like a new beginning. Expect a few surprises from the band in the future, in the near future, and I won't keep you waiting. Let's watch the movie.